Gandhak Sodhan. Ingredients required for Gandhak Sodhan. First, Gandhak, that is sulfur. Second, equal amount of Gogrit. Third, Go Duktha. Fourth, a kadhai and a mortar and pestle. Procedure for the Gandhak Sodhan is as follow. पयस्विन्ना घाटी मात्र वारिदोतो गंधक गव्या जैन विद्रुतो वस्त्रात् गलित शुद्धि मायति रथ समुच्चय. At first, a Suddha Gandhak is taken on the mortar and pestle and it is triturated to obtain a Suddha Gandhak in a fine powder, that is churna form. On the other hand, we take a large wide-mouthed stainless vessel, that is kadhai, and add gogrit in it and turn the gas stove on and heat gogrit on a low flame to melt it. After the gogrit has been melted, we pour a Suddha Gandhak in it and then we heat both Gandhak and gogrit on a very low flame. After some time, Gandhak starts to dissolve in the gogrit and take up its guna in it. To facilitate it, we also stir Gandhak sometime in between the procedure. When the Gandhak starts to melt, we switch off the gas and pour the mixture in a bowl containing milk covered with a cotton cloth. The Ashuddha Gandhak gets collected over the top and the Shuddha Gandhak seeps down into the Goduktha. Shuddha Gandhak can then be collected from the Goduktha and after that washed with the warm water. Remaining Ashuddha Gandhak is taken again in the kadai with the Gogrit and heated on a very low flame. When the Gandhak starts to melt, we switch off the gas again and pour the mixture in a bowl containing the Goduktha covered with a cotton cloth. Shuddha Gandhak then seeps below inside the Goduktha and the Ashuddha Gandhak remain floating above on the cloth. Cotton cloth is then removed from the bowl containing the Goduktha and Shuddha Gandhak which lie on the base of the Goduktha is collected from below. Collected Shuddha Gandhak is then washed with warm water. This whole procedure is done one more time and when Gandhak starts to melt again, it is again then poured into the bowl containing the Goduktha and then Shuddha Gandhak is collected from the base and washed with warm water for the last time. In this way, the Sodhan of Gandhak is done and it is collected. The rest of this Gandhak is Katu and Tikta, Roop is Pita and it is Mridu in Sparsa. Thank you.